Hello everyone. In just 3 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In just 3 minutes, I am going to show you how to buy and sell Pi coins on the exchanges as a Nigerian or in any country where you are. Welcome. Nigerian users interested in purchasing Pi coins can follow these steps to do so securely. Number one, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. You know that at the moment, the Nigerian government is at loggerheads with Binance, and Binance is not doing the P2P for Naira in Nigeria. But there are other exchanges that are allowed, so to say, to do this. So choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Several exchanges have listed Pi for trading. Notable platforms include Bitget. Bitget offers a user-friendly interface and supports various payment methods. OKX also, known for its comprehensive trading options and liquidity. Then MEXC provides a wide range of cryptocurrency, including Pi. So after you choose any of these, then you register and verify your account with them. After you have done your account with them, you sign up, provide your email address and create a strong password, then complete your KYC verification, submit necessary identification documents as required by the platform. To comply with regulatory standards, then they deposit funds. Fund your exchange account using the available payment methods. Then you can do bank transfer. Some exchanges support direct Nigerian deposit via bank transfer, then credit debit card, then third-party payments can also be used. Third-party payments like services like Add Cash or Simplex can facilitate flat fiat deposits. Then the next thing you need to do, once your money is with the exchange in your account, is to purchase Pi coins. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading section, find the Pi/Nigerian Naira trading pair, place an order, specify the amount of Pi you wish to purchase, and what do? You execute the trade. So what you look for is Pi/NGN. And if you're not interested in Pi/NGN, you can convert the money you have to whatever currency. It will be Pi/that currency. When you sell in that currency, you can now convert back to your local currency. So you place your order and then you make your buy. Then you secure your Pi holdings. After purchasing, transfer to a personal wallet for enhanced security. Consider moving your Pi coins to a personal cryptocurrency wallet where you control the private keys. Alternative peer-to-peer methods. So these are another alternative that you can use. So Nigerian users engage in P2P transactions to acquire Pi. Online communities, platforms like the Pi Buy and Sell Nigeria Marketplace on Facebook facilitate P2P trading. Then local vendors, certain individuals offer Pi for sale directly, accepting Nigerian Naira payments. Then you have to be careful. P2P transactions carry inherent risks, including potential scams. Always verify the credibility of the counterparty and use escrow services when available. So the current price of Pi is about $1, and then you can do the math between yourself and the buyer, or the exchange rate definitely will have done their math, and then you can go ahead and buy or sell on the platform. So purchasing Pi coin in Nigeria is feasible through reputable cryptocurrency exchanges and P2P platforms. Adhering to security best practices and staying informed about market conditions will ensure a safe and efficient transaction experience. So this is what I have for you on how to buy Pi coin as far as Nigeria is concerned. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video to your family and friends. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. This video popping up by the side on my channel is the next you need to go ahead and watch right away. So go ahead and watch it.